How many chairs do you need to seat 4 fathers, 2 grandfathers, and 4 sons?
How many chairs you need to seat 4 fathers,
2 grandfathers, and 4 sons.
4 sons? 4 fathers, 2 grandfathers, 6. Right?
Why you say that?
There are like 4 sons already.
You're warm. You're warm? Yeah.
2 fathers, 4 fathers, 2 grandfathers, 4 sons.
Yeah.
Yeah, why not? I mean, it's like their grandfathers, fathers. Oh, okay. I need one more because they're like they need their own father. So I'm gonna say 7 because I will need one more for the
Lucky number 7?